matches. Then elephant wash. Yeah, they get one show. Jerks and papers. Right? Promote them with the 4 grand and get any 20 grand. And elephant grand more than 75 the thing. Come and post it on Instagram. When I post this. But when they look easy before the end. So, what can I say? You never go to camp, you never post something in another song. Then I have no bank the river. Then I have not in my song. When you look at me and song, me post it. When I dance for the end, you don't know Chris Brown, you don't know R. Kelly, you don't know P.D., you don't know them, choose this. Big star and that man with family, choose this. What's calling me, mother? Choose this. Daniel. They want to see them. You go. They want to see them. Choose this. I'll be some them thing. Choose this. Choose. You know, when man come by man show, I take man 20 grand. Man say, when we reach out Jamaica, let me take call his number and tell him, give me the money. Let me text him and call back him. Hello, how is this? Where you the number? I say, I forgot here. Push one, when I go to here, you have something, you're not something. So what's this cost of 4 man? Because I did that. If you ever get to know what we say, I did everything. It's not the time too. What's the hard message? Alright, that old man, when he got our show, he get like $100 US guy show, and when he go to see show full year. You know how to do this. And next year, you have to put me. This never get paid me. It's out of that 20. Look, brother, you know, we go about that. I beg you. Your other thing is seeing the come from. So, the biggest thing with a dancer. We saw them think of them. Dancer, no, it's I'm finding money like this. I be catch up and catch up. Say, oh, it's much people there separated. And they must have food on the phone. They must have food. Mas é assim, money. And the woman who says, and the one just man of charge. Do this. I got one double job. I said, get money. I didn't get money for I went everybody get the drive off. I hear the money. I think funny that I should have get right across with something. And dear going to get money. Let me see enemies, I'm going to see here. All that don't believe in it. What I feel they take, I'm gone.
Today I come to talk about none other than Elephant Man, aka the Energy God. And we also come to talk about Elephant Man fans and the people on social media. Now, if anybody know Elephant Man, legendary dancehall artist, hit maker, talking about Pan the River, Pan the Bank, etc., etc. Talking about a global superstar regarding his resume. So Elephant Man is no stranger. When it come on stage performance, meaning climb up on top of the stage, jump off, dip on girl, all over the place like a loose cannon. Now, as you can see, Fambo come out and talk some things about Elephant Man, about him ways and how him act regarding money and certain things of his doings. Not long after Fambo come and make those statements, it looks like Elephant Man saw that and say, no, I have to go beat Fambo. He might take the internet too much. So, make me do something really disgusting regarding going viral, regarding try to get on top. So Elephant Man was clearly looking for a viral moment, and it was given to him. Now everybody talking about Elephant Man in the worst way. Talking about really dirty things. Now, if everybody can say on the internet and see how Elephant Man reacting regarding the cameraman and regarding one of his own stage performer, quote unquote, that him claim that was his guy that him pay. So we're gonna look on the first clip with the cameraman and check out the rest of the session.
We know VIP, I know blood country. Jump to one block, everything, everything, the man, move, move. You be up, you can't tell me, you put the wall up. Jump like that, what are we doing? I independent. We know VIP, I know blood country. Jump to one block, everything, everything, the man, move. Move. You be up, you can't tell me, you put the wall up. Jump like that, what are we doing?
Now, people, the clip is very disgusting and distasteful. And I slow it down for a reason, so you can get more an effect of what Elephant Man did on that stage. It was quite embarrassing for the cameraman. And the people on social media, and for all of them who did it and say, this is a joke, this is a stage performance. It seems like dancehall artists can do no wrong regarding these loose cannon when it comes on artists trying to get a viral moment. How much viral you want to be, bro? You already global superstar. You said the man broke, him not have the money. Why do that? Why embarrass the man like that? Elephant Man could never dare try this in the United States of America, England, Canada. Nowhere else. He only can do it to his Jamaican brothers and sisters. Elephant Man is a disgrace. And let's not take his work that he did in dancehall. And Elephant Man, his apologies is not enough. It's fake, it's not real. Because he wanted a viral moment and he got it. So people, we're going to take a look at the next clip with him fling off the old man off of the stage. Jaja. So, I want to see the antics where Elephant Man are going with. Now, the backlash was more than the support. It was so bad that Elephant Man have to make a apology. Elephant Man issue an apology, make a video with the old man. People, wanna look for yourself and tell me what you think about the old man justification of why Elephant Man do what him do. People, Jaja, watch this.
Peace and love, peace and love. Well, I'm here to just address something. There's a video going around on social media. I'm here to address it, explain to the fans how this thing goes. The cameraman now, cause him and the cameraman. Apology to the cameraman was given on the stage and off the stage. When he was videoing, I went, you know me, how we perform, so I went here and said, move, cameraman, move. No disrespect. Never meant to be taken. No disrespect to the cameraman. I apologize to him a million times. When him get up and him went back side of Super right where the DJ who was, I stopped the show and I said, cameraman, I apologize.
What on? Me done. Now follow me, boy, you're broken up. Don't go soon. Big up yourselves. No disrespect. We'll just entertain the people.
I don't want nobody take it out of context, think that I'm disrespecting him. And secondly, fire. The person who you say I push off stage, fire. He have been working with me for over 25, going to 30 years now. He's a part of my team.
He was the one of the signal the plane stick, and he was working me from him ear black till it white now. Fire, that's how long.
Yeah, man, it's a part-time promotion. We tour the world with elephant. We go all over with elephant. Elephant use water and show up a stage in a performance. Him show up everybody up and say, come up on the stage. Have some girl come up and then come up. Him say, you come up on it. So all with them are taking up one. And I said this and I said
Bullshit.
that. I said, me hearty. No do me. No do me, me hearty. So me don't want them feel like nothing do me. Me hearty is a part-time performance. Worldwide. Me tour the world with him. Me got Japan, the first time I got Japan. Some Japanese company says, hey man, say, fire, give me water. We wait them up, come up on me stairs. And show them off. So, we don't know what them take this out of proportion. Eh? Yeah, see, that's the area. Here, he met me. So, me don't want no man come go on like them a come. Go on, biblical youth, me them a come with this now. Eh?
When I pushed Fire off the stage, he came back up. And when he came on the stage, I wet him up again and he wet me up. When me, I said, wet me up. You understand? And I just come to apologize to the fans them who I use some performance.
Bravo to you, Elephant Man, Energy God. We all can come to our own conclusion and see what you actually meant. Elephant Man, you was like an elephant in the jungle on the stage. We see the profanity them what you use. I'm sure your apologies won't be accepted to 90% of people. Your apologies is damage control. Elephant Man, quite frankly, you played yourself. And people, if you think Elephant Man apologies is sincere, you go back and watch a video and judge for yourself. And please tell me if you want to buy Elephant Man poorly apologies and what he actually meant. People, you say if Elephant Man not stop, them are gonna deal with him indefinitely. People, excuse me.